Hey everyone, we're gonna learn about the while loop and let's start. First of all, we will create a variable, let's call it number, and set the value as 0. And we're gonna write the while statement, which start with while and followed with the expression, let's say while number less than 10, and do something. We can put number plus plus, so we want to increment the value of number. After that, what do you want to do? For example, we can say print line number, and let's run it. As you see here, you see the console print from 0 to 9. So that means your while loop is working. And in addition, you can also know like the value of number after it exits the while loop. And what do you think the value is? The value is 10, because as you see, the last value of number while it was in the while loop was 10, but it has never been printed. So while we print here, when we print the value of number here, it will show 10. Okay, let's make it more visual. We'll resize the canvas to, I'll make it 200 by 100. Let's see it, not big enough. Make it 500 by 100. Okay. After that, we can draw the rectangle over here. Start with number times 50. After that, the height is 0, and the width and the height is 50-50. So if we run this, we'll see these rectangles. But if we change this to, let's say, 8, you only see the 8 rectangles and stop right here. This means that your rectangle actually starts from here and going to the right. And with similar approach but different way, we will I'll show you if we want to draw the rectangles from the right side instead of the left side. So you can say instead of from 10, you can start it from 9 actually. And while number 2 is still bigger than, because the last coordinate, x coordinate we expect to draw the rectangle is 0. In this case, we need equal 0. And we want to draw rectangle and start with number 2 times in this case 50. After that, what's the height? The height is 50 because we want to draw on the second row over here, and 50-50. And let's run this. Alright, we forget something here, which is to decrement the amount of number, which is number 2. Let's run it. You see you got 10 rectangles over here, and if we reduce it to, for example, 2, we're gonna see only 8 of them. As you see here, by looking at this, you understand that the first one over here, it starts from the left side to the right side, and the second one over here, it starts from the right side to the left side. As basically the number keep decrementing. And I hope this is a good beginning for you to learn about while loop. If you want to make it clearer for you, you can also print line over here, number 2. Actually, the right way is print line over here, so you know that the order is correct. Alright, see that? Okay, I hope you understand this, and see you in the next session.